Hello, my name is Liliya and I am the voice behind the course. I have been teaching ACCA for over a decade. I have been teaching SBR exam, and I know how to make students pass. This exam is not about just learning the standards. This exam is about being able to see the scenario, which frankly is formulated as, well, nobody knows how to account that, but maybe you, a person that just read a book, know. So our job is to read this unsolvable task and being able to score some marks. And that is what I'm teaching you. And I have been teaching for years. I have very relevant experience because I acted as CFO for a multinational company. So I know what it is to do consolidation. I know what it is, how to make this intragroup accounting, how to care about how certain actions are going to affect the reporting. So how to apply this strategic profession. And that is what I'm going to teach you. So I will see you next.